Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Howdy! Here you will find where to solve your questions about why are the video, sound and screen out of sync on my iMac. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about why are the video, sound and screen out of sync on my iMac is mac.bigresource.com. See the page titled Applications, Audio Out of Sync with Video/Playing. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site forums.macrummers.com, especially the page YouTube HD, now audio and video are out of sync. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see ask.brothersoft.com. The web page Why are the video, sound and screen out of sync on my iMac. This is the link.